Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
So if any one of you has any ideas, I think they should, start it, because until you start, it kind of seems impossible.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our next session of Kya, which is Nova Alumni. Today we have with us Parinder Kaur, one of the founder of Foodimi, and she is now the assistant professor of Wageningen University. She has done her MTech from NIFTM in 2019. How are you, ma'am?
Subrata, I'm good. And how are you?
I'm all good, ma'am. Can you share your thoughts about NIFTM and how it helps you to grow personally and professionally?
Yeah, sure. First of all, a very big thank you for having me here. It's really a great honor. And about NIFTM, I don't know what I can say. Actually, anyone who has been a part of NIFTM, a student of NIFTM, knows exactly that NIFTM has been a beautiful journey for almost each one of us. So yes, personally as well as professionally, I feel NIFTM has made me a better person in almost all sense. So if I, try, it offers a lot of opportunities and makes you grow, starting from, maybe from the campus itself to the excellent library maybe NIFTM offers us with so much of comfort, where, we can spend so much of hours studying in very good comfort zone. And then the guidance the teachers have given us, we have very good faculties who have really helped us grow, personally as well as professionally. And then one more advantage I feel NIFTM has, that, being a residential college, it teaches us all to become independent in ourselves and, try to manage things and on our own. So all these things, I believe it has really helped me to grow personally as well as professionally.
Yes, ma'am, I too agree with you. How is your experience being an assistant professor and what are the challenges you have faced?
Presently, I am working with the Vignan University as an assistant professor, like as you said. So it has been like a very good experience. I took up this profession. Actually, I had an interest in teaching since like my childhood, you can say maybe. So both my parents belong to this profession. I believe this has made me be interested in it. I had seen my father, other than his regular job, he used to take tuitions because simply because he had the passion, he liked it, he enjoyed it. So I think I was motivated for the same, so I chose it. And it has been a very beautiful journey. I have been teaching tuitions at my home during all 4 years of my BTech, but then this was a complete different experience. When you teach in a university, it is something different. So it has come up with its own challenges also. So sometimes, you have to teach a subject or a topic which, maybe you were not that interested in during your undergraduate or postgraduate, or sometimes you were just less confident for that particular topic. But then because you have this passion, you just like teaching, you search through internet for many other new ways, you can make it interesting for yourself as well as for your students. So it tries me to, makes me explore a lot and try to bring out the best. And when I go and deliver it and then the students appreciate me for that particular topic, it gives more confidence. And it becomes challenging because in such a huge class, you have students of all kinds, from the very naughty ones to the very calm and composed ones. So trying to bring out the best in every student is a challenge in itself, like really a big challenge, trying to handle each one with their own, everyone has got their own levels. So, but I believe the best part of this profession is you get that feeling that you are in college life for the rest of your life, which might be over for other professions. So yes, I really enjoy.
That's really interesting, ma'am. But how are you able to control them, the naughty ones?
I don't really think I need to control them. They are very adorable, like all the students. So they're very good. When you are in lectures, they do realize the importance and they are quite serious in themselves. So after the lectures, I am okay with, I'll be more friendly with them. But yes, during the lectures, I tend to be a little strict. So they are very adorable. They don't really need that much of control. They're good in themselves.
Ma'am, you're supporting them a lot. By the way, can you tell us more about your startup?
this startup, I have a startup called as Foodemy with the 4 other members of our batch only, Neha and Smriti. All 5 of us are in different states for our respective jobs or higher studies at present. But this thing also started in NIFTM only. So again, this adds to the journey of NIFTM for my life. So we actually came up with this startup. We started with a YouTube channel. So we make educational content videos, delivering food technology related knowledge. But now we have an Instagram and an FB page as well, where we share really interesting and amazing facts related to food technology. So trying to add up to, the knowledge of the students of food technology.
Okay. What inspired you to start this startup?
Very good question, but the answer is actually what do I say? When I was in my BTech, me and I had one more friend of mine who was in IT sector. So we both were looking for pursuing GATE for our, for our MTech. We both wanted to give GATE exam. So for him, it was very easy, to get all the material, to get all the guidance online everywhere. He had so many videos. He used to study on YouTube. So I realized that there is lack of any platform for me to study or even proper guidance. So he was preparing and I was still stuck on the question whether it should be XE or Excel. So all 4 of us, when I came in MTech, I met these like-minded people, Anu, Shabri, Neha and Smriti, and we all 5 thought, that there is a lack of any platform providing crystal clear knowledge to food tech students. See, if you are doing BTech, you do BTech in food tech. After that, you want to do MTech. Question is, okay, should I give GATE or not? So should it be XE or Excel? Okay, and then which colleges I am eligible for GATE? Which are the colleges I should aim? And then for some reason, if someone is not able to make up to the GATE exam or simply does not want to write the GATE exam, is there any other way one can get into Masters Food Tech, any other college offering without GATE? So, and when you finally get into MTech, what after that? What are the job prospects? What are the growing opportunities? There is lack of clarity on all these questions in our sector. So we wanted to come up with a one-stop solution for the students of food technology, which can help them provide the answer to almost all their questions. That was the basic inspiration.
Great to know that you are solving students' problem. Hope you will cover NIFTM course very soon.
We will do that for sure. We are working on it.
Ma'am, what are the future plans of your startup?
It was mostly about GATE videos. We started with GATE videos, but we are no longer restricted to GATE. We at present, we aspire to explore almost all the areas of food technology, be it from the guidance point of view, from your job prospects, from your government job sector, colleges. We want to explore almost everything. So we are working on it. At present, we were active on YouTube, but now our Instagram and Facebook page, I believe, has really grown a lot. I myself can feel that. So we are trying to cover, daily life questions which skip from the students of food technology due to this huge semester syllabus. Questions like we have vitamin A to E, but then we straight away have vitamin K. So where does this F, G, I, J go? So were they ever discovered, or did we straight come to vitamin K? So these kind of questions which we skip in our daily lives while studying all this basic syllabus, mugging through it. So we are trying to cover all these aspects, and we have plans to grow our Insta page with many more food facts, and we have started Instagram quiz. So I believe we are going to expand in that area also. And then as far as YouTube is concerned, we have planned for many more educational content as well as guidance videos, related to job, college, or any other aspects of food tech which one might need.
What advice would you like to give to the students, those who are in campus, from your experiences?
Everyone has their own journey, so I don't know what advice I can give, but then one thing is for sure, this is the time for everyone. They should just grab this time and start studying. So I believe that if they have anything in mind, if any one of you has any idea and something is stopping you, maybe the fear that how to do it, whether it will work or not, one should just not stop. So when we wanted to start it, we had so many doubts, what will happen after our jobs? What if we all end up in different states, which actually happened also. So these are all challenges, and until we started, we found it very difficult. But once we have started it, we are able to do it somehow or the other. We try to manage. I think it's all about teamwork. So if any one of you has any ideas, I think they should, start it, because until you start, it kind of seems impossible.
Ma'am, any message for the Niftomites?
Message. Okay, so like these memories, the memories and the time you spend at Niftam is something you are really gonna miss when you enter your job life. So I think you should really take this time as an opportunity. The facilities that Niftam offers you, especially the library, I just appreciate it very much. I myself found it very helpful. It has AC and everything, so very comfortable hours also, especially during the exams. So I feel you should grab those opportunities and you should just think about what kind of a job you want to pursue in future and start preparing according to that job. And because friends are equally important, since they are also not going to come back, make sure to collect a lot of memories, click a lot of pictures. Just balance your career goals along with this amazing hostel life of yours, which is not going to come back. So with a little bit of time management, I'm sure you all can do that.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your valuable advices.
It was really great talking to you, and it's really an honor to be a part of this our network and talk to all the Niftamites once again.